Our life is a faint tracing on the surface of mystery, like the idle curves of tunnels of leaf miners on the face of a leaf. We must somehow take a wider view, look at the whole landscape, really see it, and describe what's going on here. Then we can at least wail the right of question into the swaddling band of darkness, or if it comes to that, choir the proper praise. This quote by one of my favorite authors truly exemplifies why I would like to participate in the Student Leadership Exchange in China. Not only do I want to broaden my horizons and learn so much about different cultures, I want to look at things on a wider landscape, also known as global scales. I want to see the triumphs the country has, the disadvantages some of their policies have, and truly dwell within that culture. My name is Madeline Poole, and I am currently a 2016 Presidential Scholar, specifically in the area of career and technical education. My sophomore year was when I truly was curious about other cultures. I was working in an engineering lab and was fortunate enough to have 5 colleagues, all from a university in China. They taught me so much about different kinds of research, their cultures, that I quenched for more, and I was so curious about what they had to do in their country and how that related to our country. And so this is another reason why I would like to do this exchange program, because I truly believe it would benefit me, especially for my future plans. In the fall, I'll be attending the University of Illinois, majoring in agricultural and biological engineering with a minor in international policy. So ideally, what I would like to do with this is kind of analyze other countries' agricultural practices and how it's impacting their food security. And hopefully by gaining these connections through China and through other countries, I'll be one step closer to helping alleviate food security and going through my future goals. Now you may be asking, what's with this blue jacket? So I'm from the Chicago High School for Agricultural Sciences, which is kind of a contradiction. I live in one of the largest cities in the United States, yet I'm involved in an agricultural program. So I'm actually involved in the National FFA organization, formerly known as the Future Farmers of America. This organization strives to promote agricultural education through premier leadership, personal growth, and career success. And so this has one of been the driving factors for me and my future, and has got me really involved in international affairs and also wanting to explore and just learn more. And so I believe that I have a really unique perspective, considering I go to a high school that's one of its kind, and I could truly bring that unique perspective of that system of American education to China, as well as learn about their education systems. To learn more about me, you could simply look behind me, and these are some of the things that I believe truly describe who I am that an application really can't show. So as you can see here, I have my prized possession unicycle. I have some succulents that I grew in agronomy class. I also have my ukulele, and behind me, as you can see, is a plethora of things that I hold most dear to me, which is my research. I consider myself a researcher, and in the future I want to continue research, specifically in the area of agricultural sciences. I've done research from testing which oil works best in biofuels, to even making my own heat exchanger with students from China, and even using different bacteria strains to create biofertilizers for smallholder farmers in Asia. Everything that I do leads myself to agriculture and exploring, so that I know that my unique perspective will bring a unique flavor to this trip, and if I was fortunate enough to attend, I would do my best, my utmost best to not only share myself with other students in China, but learn as much as I possibly can from them and truly get an insight to their country and what this program has to offer. Thank you.